Yoga is a profound practice that transcends mere physical exercise. At its core, yoga is about uniting the mind, body, and spirit, fostering a sense of harmony within ourselves and with the world around us. Let's delve into the fundamental components of yoga, starting with asanas. These are the physical postures that form the backbone of yoga practice. Each asana is designed to enhance flexibility, strength, and balance. For instance, the downward dog not only stretches the spine but also energizes the body, while the warrior poses instill a sense of courage and focus. As we flow through these postures, we cultivate awareness of our bodies, learning to listen to what they need. Next, we have pranayama, the art of breath control. Breath is our life force, and through pranayama, we harness this energy. Techniques like Ujjayi breathing create a soothing rhythm, calming the mind and enhancing concentration. By mastering our breath, we can manage stress and anxiety, allowing us to connect more deeply with our inner selves. Mudras are another essential aspect of yoga. These hand gestures carry symbolic meanings and can influence our energy flow. For example, the Gyan Mudra, where the thumb and index finger touch, is believed to enhance knowledge and wisdom. Incorporating mudras into our practice can deepen our meditation and enhance our spiritual connection. Bandhas or energy locks play a crucial role in directing our internal energy. By engaging the Mula Bandha or root lock, we stabilize our energy at the base of the spine, promoting a sense of grounding. Similarly, the Uddiyana Bandha lifts our energy upward, invigorating our practice and enhancing our vitality. Understanding and applying bandhas can transform our yoga experience, allowing us to tap into deeper states of consciousness. Kriyas, or cleansing techniques, are vital for purifying the body and mind. These practices can include anything from specific breathing exercises to physical movements designed to release toxins. Kriyas help us cultivate clarity and focus, preparing us for deeper meditation and self-exploration. As we weave these components together, asana, pranayama, mudra, bandha, and kriyas, we create a holistic practice that nurtures not just our physical bodies, but also our emotional and spiritual well-being. Yoga invites us to explore the depths of our being, fostering a profound sense of peace and connection. Through this journey, we learn to embrace the present moment, cultivating gratitude and compassion for ourselves and others. In essence, yoga is a lifelong journey of self-discovery, offering us tools to navigate the complexities of life with grace and resilience. Each practice is an opportunity to connect more deeply with ourselves and the universe, reminding us that we are all part of something greater.